So when you come on the team, you go forward and then you have 5 minutes to report on the progress so far, progress updates so far. Tell us what you've learned and what you've done so far, and then tell us the plans for the following day. And so I'm going to be calling in the next, we'll take a short break, maybe a 5 minutes break, and then we'll start the next section. Thank you.
The Nigerian genius. The Nigerian genius.
We learn about safety generally around the workshop. We learn safety around different machines, safety around CNC machine, safety around cutting machine, safety around the welding machine, and this knowledge we actually have been abiding with it while we were working on the rest of the days. So on the second day, we learned about CAD design, CNC design for laser cutting machines. So we were taught how to actually design something on a CAD software and then bring it onto a CNC cutting machine and have it done. So also we were taught about design for manufacturing. We were taught about how to think like a designer and build a product that is fit for a particular purpose. Because different purposes, like for example, the same product have a different design for different environments. So we learned how to think like a designer and to meet a requirement for a particular specification for a particular product. Also, the next day we also learned furthermore on Steam CNC. We learned designing for 3D printing, and so far we've gathered knowledge and we've realized that my fellow team we've realized that CNC is actually a wide field. It's like a bottomless pit. The possibilities are so much, so vast that you can just imagine and do. So we taught how to design a 3D model and have it brought to reality using a 3D printer. We taught what 3D printing is actually used for, the various applications of 3D printers, different kinds of 3D printers, and we taught how a 3D printer actually works. So also we learned welding application. We were able to come up with a project, an adjustable stool. Me and my teams worked hand in hand. We had to share the labor within ourselves, and we were pleased with what we made within ourselves. Also, we also taught electronics, how to design a PCB, how to simulate a PCB, we were taught actually the software for designing this PCB. We worked around how to make use of the software. You test your circuit, making sure your circuit is actually going to work for the purpose you intend it for before you make your PCB. Then you can see also the 3D view of your PCB before you actually have it CNC layout. So we are able to also bring a PCB that we can install components on and design and finish up our circuits. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Do you have any comment or question for me?
Actually, you described your activities. It's 5 days here now, and then you have 5 days. So, is there any difference? I want you to share your experience between these 5 days you're here and then the time you left your school to come here.
Personally, I would say our experience here is exponential because it has given us a lot of opportunities to see things in real life. I personally, I use YouTube a lot. I only see all those machines in YouTube, how they operate them, how they do stuff. But here it has given me an experience, which I believe if I go back to my school, I will be more advanced in what I've learned so far.
The Nigerian genius.
Nigerian Genesis. Answer me now.
Yes, sir.
Nigerian Genesis.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
You want to know the challenge? Are you ready to know the challenge? Are you ready to solve the challenge?
Yes, sir.
So, the poverty rate in Nigeria is very high. But Nigeria is said to be the poverty capital of the world, having the highest population of poor people living below the poverty line. And to make matters worse, for these poor people, who amount to millions of Nigerians, to make their suffering worse, the cost of food is very expensive. So the small money that you have gotten ends up going into food. The average Nigerian worker spends over 50% of their income on food alone. The serious situation. And yet, to make it even more worse, herdsmen attack farmers when they go to farm, further increasing food scarcity and food insecurity. So if we don't do something urgently and seriously, we might get to a point where we don't have food again in Nigeria. But as leaders, we have to help Nigeria to solve one of Nigeria's toughest problems. So this is edition of the Nigerian News 2023. We have brought together Nigeria's brightest minds from 4 tertiary institutions. I will train you the people with essential industry skills, modern skills, giving you access to advanced manufacturing facilities at the Advanced Design Center. We are here for one major reason. The purpose we are here is to solve the challenge of food security in Nigeria. Therefore, your challenge in the next 10 days is to build a farming robot that will help to scale up farming and food production in Nigeria, and also help to secure the lives of farmers who are totally being murdered and massacred on their farmlands. So the challenge you have is to design and build a robot that can farm, that can help the family, that can help to scale up farming, that can be sent to farm instead of farmers, and that can do several times more farming work than human beings. This will help to solve Nigeria's food crisis. Everything you need is available in the boxes that will give to each team. In addition to that, we are going to make a provision of an extra expenses up to a maximum of 20,000 naira for each team. So during this period that you'll be here, what you have, what we give you, we expect it to be enough to solve the challenge. But if you need something extra, we have a purse, an account on behalf of you from which you can spend, but you will not spend beyond a maximum of 20,000 naira. Thank you, Nigerian Genesis. The challenge is us now. Thank you.
The Nigerian Genius.
Good evening. My name is Dogban. My name is Dogban Makonjola from Yaba College of Technology, and this is my teammate. We are representing Yaba College of Technology. Today's activity, which is the day 5, we had a brain teaser section, which involved we are given a task, which we are asked to build any furniture we can see at home, and the time allocated was 40 minutes, 10 minutes for deliberation and 30 minutes for the construction, which we were able to come up with these two designs: a center table and also a cupboard, which we can see here. And as well, they've given us our project, which is the major project we are working on as a team, and it involves food security, which will be coming up with a solution for, and I'll be deliberating with my teammates on how to go about the whole design and make it functional. The given project is we are asked to design a robot that can solve the problem of food security, and also helps the farmer to reduce the tendency of fight between the farmers and the herdsmen. And I believe my team is physically and mentally prepared for this challenge, and we will be deliberating and designing together all through this competition. And I believe our design will be one of the best, if not the best, in this competition. I strongly believe so. As well, I would like to say a big thank you to my school for giving us the opportunity to be here, to have this privilege to be part of this competition. It's a great experience, and I would say big thank you. Keep watching, keep sharing, and keep voting. And I'm assuring you guys, by the special grace of God, we won't let you guys down. Thank you.
The Nigerian Genius.